All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, to using that credit card for BlockFi credit card. Today we're going to be talking about AMP token. What's going on with this token? Is it a good time to get into AMP token? We're going to check out their website, check out their Twitter account, go over a little deep dive on AMP token. Also on Coinbase, if you have a Coinbase account, you can actually earn, I think, $3 or $4 of AMP token. I just did it the other day. So that QR code was bouncing around for the Super Bowl, so I use Binance all the time. I decided to open a Coinbase account, and it was pretty cool. I actually earned some AMP token just by learning on their platform. Also, we're going to go over the gas prices in the United States. Even if they drill for more gas, it's not going to make the price of gas go any lower. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, you can hear the jets going by in Hawaii here. You see my background, which is pretty cool. Got people walking by, beautiful scenery. Again, I was telling everybody I came out here on some of my cryptocurrency money, some of my nodes projects, drip projects, and this and that. All right, everybody, let's head over to AMP token. All right, AMP token is number 72 right here. It's actually down about 6.5% in the last 7 days. Coin is traded at 2 cents right this second. So we're going to go ahead and click it. So AMP token is at 2 cents, 0.25. It's down at 0.015. What's going on with AMP token? Well, you can see in the last 24 hours here, it did have a nice little bounce up here, which is real nice, but it is coming back down and stuff. I remember talking about this token when it was at 4 cents, 4.5 cents, 5 cents. It was between 4.5 to 5 cents for the longest time, and now it's kind of come down. Let's go ahead and check out the holders of AMP right this second. All right, checking the 3 months real quick. 3 months ago, we actually had 59,000 people holding the AMP token. Today, we actually have 70,000. We actually have 10,000 more people, which is about 20%. Let me see, 10,000, about 15%. So 15% more people holding the AMP token right this second. Going over to the website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like GUSD with instant variable assurance, any real-world application. You can stake the AMP, you can send the AMP, and you can actually repeat the AMP, which is fantastic. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for users with smart contract features. Purpose is built for collateral, nothing more and nothing less. Collateral services, non-inflationary. It says right here, meet our friends that they work with, from staking platform payments on Flexa to providing stability with liquidity. AMP's ecosystem. Here's some of the people AMP works with. It works with Flexa, Sushi, crypto.com, just to name a few, Chainlink, Zapper. So AMP's all kinds, they're working with all kinds of different people in the AMP network. Going over to the AMP Twitter account, it says AMP is a digital collateral token that provides instant variable assurance for any real-world application, developed by Flexa HQ, which is really, really nice. So here's another new thing just about the beginning of the month. AMP is listed on Digifinex, Digifinex, which is awesome. Trading tokens live, which is fantastic. You can go right over to the website here and take a look. The more platforms that AMP gets listed on, the more actual people they're going to know about AMP. Again, I thought it was really neat that I was on Coinbase the other day, and there was 3 different lessons. Each one of them only paid $1, but I ended up making like $3 from AMP token just from answering some questions, and it was educational things. There was also stuff on Coinbase about Ethereum and this and that, so very, very good education on the Coinbase. You know, the blockchain is one of the key unlocking digital currency payments at scale, and yet frequently misunderstood. Why, they asked? To block, to dive into the help and explain the importance. So you got a little bit of help here with Flexa, commissioned by Flexa. And another thing with AMP token, it is now on Atomic Wallet, which is fantastic. Another platform where people that are on Atomic Wallet all the time, they can actually get the AMP token. It says AMP is collateralized token made for instant and secure payments. Now you can store it, exchange AMP, and get cash back. So Atomic Wallet right here, you can get your AMP token today. Another big thing, this was a few months ago, AMP is now on VOD official, the full support for trading, lending, borrowing, and saving. Trade AMP with AMP/USD. It tells you right here what you're waiting for. Head over to VOD official to start earning, trading, lending, and borrowing. So there's over 250 coins over on the VOD network. All right, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. AMP's at 2.5 cents right now. Is this a great time to get into AMP? Do you believe in the, don't forget to leave your comments in the bottom. Do you believe AMP's going to bounce back up to 2.5 cents, can go to 4 to 5 to 6 cents? It was last June, it was at like 11 cents. Or do you think AMP's going to go lower than 2.5 cents? Give us your thoughts in the bottom. All right, what about the gas prices in the United States? If they started drilling for more gas, is that going to help the prices go down? I don't know. Let's see. Why record high gas prices won't be solved by drilling more oil in the U.S.? What is this all about? It says CNN, as U.S. oil and gasoline prices skyrocket, politicians in both parties have called seamlessly easy solutions. Drill our way to the problem, ease the price at the pump, and supply additional energy to Europe. Well, the president must end the war on American energy. You know, the Republicans have been demanding administration take shackles of Americans' energy producers since President Biden took office. We have the energy at home, we must use it. You know, that's the thing. United States is the #1 producer of oil, but we send some of it out to different countries. So what they're saying is if we basically become more supply ourselves, you know, get more oil, use the oil in our supplies, which is fantastic. But the U.S. is already the world's top producer of crude oil, producing 11.6 million barrels of oil per day as of December. The supply is increasing. Energy experts told CNN that the country is the world's largest consumer of oil, using about 21 million barrels per day in 2019, 20% of the world's total. Buried under the U.S. soil lies the estimated 38.2 billion barrels worth of proven oil reserves that are still untapped, according to the U.S. information. So the funny thing is, if they drill for more oil, it's not necessarily going to lower the prices because it's going to take time to actually have that happen. They were saying that gas is going to be at $5, it could be at $6, and one day it could be at $7, which is going to really be hard. I heard some people on Facebook yesterday, kind of a joke. You know, it was kind of a joke, but they were talking about how they're going to start riding their horses to work because they can't afford the gas, so they're going to start taking horses and buggies. And then also, you know how people call off sick at work and they're like, hey, I'm sick, I can't come in. They one of the things on Facebook was saying that everybody's about $1 away from calling work and saying, hey, I ran out of gas, I can't come in. I don't know. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think about these gas prices? Is it getting any better? Do you think it's going to get worse? The war over there in Ukraine isn't helping it at all. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's head back over to AMP token, do a little price prediction, and kind of see what we think about AMP token. Hey, there's one thing we were talking about yesterday, that VVS Finance, I just want to kind of cover this. If you're a miner or if you're a staker on VVS Finance, they're coming out with this new coin, XVVS is coming, and the XVVS is going to be rewarded to the miners. So if you're mining the coin on VVS or you're staking the coin, you're actually going to get the XVVS. That's going to be rewarded to you, which is fantastic. So you may want to check out VVS Finance. They're saying right here, XVVS, how do you get it? There's 3 ways. You're going to have revenue sharing with the XVVS vaults, and the governance is coming soon. So you may want to check out VVS Finance. It's a fantastic program, and now they're actually bringing more rewards to you so you can actually make more money from staking. All right, let's head back over to AMP token to do that little price prediction. I wanted to go over here to AMP on their website. It says how to stake the AMP, how to stake AMP on Flexa. This shows you how much money is actually staked. It tells you right here to connect your wallet, and when you connect your wallet, you can actually stake the AMP. And obviously, you can make money from staking the AMP, and it shows you right here, when you actually connect it, you connect your MetaMask wallet, your Coinbase wallet, your Trust wallet, whatever wallet you're using, and you would select what you want to do. Then you would go ahead and stake it, and then you can start making money that quick. So a lot of people are making money staking the AMP, so you have to decide if that's one of your plays that you want to do. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap, what is our price prediction? Well, it's at 2.5 cents. I've been talking about this token for months and months. It was at 4.5 cents and 5 cents. I think the token can easily go to 3 cents, which is absolutely fantastic. But again, do all your own research. I'm not a financial planner. We're just all friends here. So the good news is you want to take a look at it. But I would head over to Coinbase, because if you go over to Coinbase, you can actually make a few extra dollars by actually doing the tutorial lessons. I mean, it's only $3, $1, $1, $1, but free money is pretty good. You can take that $3 and roll it to something else. All right, so another thing too is you want to take a look at all these different cryptocurrencies right now. A lot of them are down. You want to ask yourself, which projects do you think are still going to be strong in the summertime? When we get through all this stuff, you know, with cryptocurrencies like this, we always talk that it's going to shoot up, it's going to shoot down, it's going to go to the left, it's going to go to the right, all that kind of stuff. But the thing is projects like Solana or Polkadot or Ethereum or Bitcoin, if you believe in these projects and the thing dips real hard, again, I'm not a financial planner, do all your own research. All my information is for educational purposes only. We're just all friends here. But you may want to get positioned. Nodes are good projects to get into. Drip Garden, Dogs and Pigs, all kinds of good stuff. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here so you can learn about Drip. Get 365% every single day, 1% on your initial investment, all kinds of good stuff. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later on today. From Hawaii here with that background, fantastic background. We're loving it. Cryptocurrency, we're loving it too.